Yes, a lot of countries closed their schools. Yes, a lot of countries stopped non-essential movement, closed land borders, but only 2 countries, it was Italy and Spain, closed non-essential production. Never mind walking your dog and so on, that was allowed in most other countries. So we became petty. And what we also forget, even the Chinese only had 760 people locked down at any time, and they're 1.4 billion people. And for the majority of that 760 million people, it was a 3-week lockdown. Yes, Wuhan and Hubei were very different. And there will be other areas where they're going to have to lock down probably again. But it's quite clear that we're starting to really overdo it at an early stage. And perhaps it was necessary because we didn't know. But now we know how the virus impacts. We can see that it's mainly an old age problem in the sense that that's where the people die. And that's something that we've got to look at. What we can do now, we can open most shops with social distancing, factories with social distancing. School, as the disease will not impact the kids. Maybe we keep cafes and restaurants closed for another week or 3. We ask the public to wear masks. We have public transport opening with social distancing room. But so we also ask firms to coordinate their staggering starts. So what we would have is one firm starts at 7, the other at 8, the other at 9, so that public transport doesn't get too full and that you can keep distancing and so on. It will increase the price of public transport, but that can be subsidized for a period of, say, 2 months till the virus is virtually over.